Alrighty, let's get to some fishing. So I already had a bite, but I switched colors out, so maybe we'll get a better bite now. Wait and see, I guess. Oh, that was definitely one there, yeah. Oh, wow, look at all the bullhead minnows. There's like 100 of them right there. Still one bullheads. No, that's a rock. There it is. There it is. That's a walleye. No. Slimy old shark. Slimy jackfish. Ooh. Hey buddy. What's in your tummy? That feels like a good sized perch. There's definitely a perch in him. I can feel it right in his gut right there. Now, am I gonna be a dummy and get trouble stuck in my hand? Yep. Not even gonna try it. I don't feel like having hooks in my hand today. Because that means I have to go to the doctor sooner. Hey, Mr. Fish, where are you? Yeah, that definitely feels like a bait fish of some sort. Oh, he's got a little leech on him here too. There. All right, buddy. Off you go. All right. Not what I was going for, but I'll take it. So there has to be good perch in here then, if he's eating. Did not want to go that way, but whatever. Can you please stay out of the stinging nettle? I don't like this shit. There it is. Oh, that was a jack. It's okay, I'm not too upset about that one. Amazed I haven't snapped my line yet. Ooh. That was a hard bite. Thought I had one. Oh, that's a decent walleye too. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck. I see him right there. I don't want to break him off. Oh, there we go. Oh, come here. No! Oh, no way. Oh, I kind of figured that was going to happen. That sucked. Oh, well. Oh, there goes my line. Come on, give me this rod. There we go. Try this guy for a bit now. Oh, this one might be a snap one too. Yep. Damn it, that was a brand new fucking skirted Ned rig. Try the shaky head for a bit first. A little perch. Oh, he wanted that. Look how much he wanted that one. Little perch. Oh, he's bleeding a bit. Oops. Yeah, he'll be fine. Hey, he's gone. Cool. So that was on a live target and a shaky head jig, EWD shaky head. Live target twitch minnow. It's funny. The baits I think I'm going to catch pickerel on are the ones I'm catching perch on right now. But I guess perch are just loaded in here right now. No, I wasn't too sure if I liked this bait at first. I think I'm trying to figure it out. There's one. Another perch. Cool. Perch master today. Such a nice sized perch. Come on. There. Not a bad sized perch. All right. 1, 2, 3. He gone. How's it going, folks? We're going to talk about the baits I use in this video, starting with the first one, which is the live foraged natural perch. This bait is discontinued now, but Rapala has basically the exact same thing. The only difference is the tops are a bit different. This is a flat, wider top, whereas the Rapala Rip and Wraps have a narrow, concave top. The action is very similar. Rattles are exactly the same. So either way, they're both great baits to have. So the next bait I was using was the Zeeman Scented Jerk Shad. This is a 5-inch smelt. I'm pretty sure I was using a 4-inch smelt that day. But either way, the walleye have absolutely loved these. This is my last plastic in the 5-inch, believe it or not. And I was pairing it up with the VMC Moon Eye jig head. This is a 1/4 ounce jig head in parrot. And for what I'm dealing with, which is a lot of rocks, these jig heads can actually handle it. The paint doesn't chip off them and the eyes don't fall out of them like normal jig heads. And here's one of the jig heads I've actually been using with a little bit of the paint knocked off from banging against rocks, and the eyes are both in them. and the paint's still on it, which is awesome. And the last video we used was the Live Target Twitch minnow. This is a silver smoke pattern, 4.5-inch plastic, with a VMC EWG shaky head hook, and the two of them together were awesome. They didn't get hung up anywhere, didn't get stuck in the rocks, stuck in the weeds, and they absolutely crushed the perch. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.